Kain tayo ng ginisang ampalaya with beef. Oh, sarap. Bok choy with garlic, okra. So, kain na. Kain tayo mga idol. Ito, ampalaya. Ampalaya. Sarap.
I would have that
Next time.
Kuha ka na dito lang.
Ano mo yun?
I don't know.
Ampalaya.
I don't know.
Bitter.
Yeah. Tapos, syempre, yung mahiwagang ano natin.
But it smells good.
Garlic chili. Oh well.
Mom, I want that vegetables to Dad.
Bitter.
Yan. Tapos meron rin tayong andito guys. Mga idol. Yan.
What's that?
Itlog na maalat.
Salted egg.
Diba?
Wow, bro.
Paano ba natin?
What's that?
Ito pala yun eh. No?
Does that have
Ayan.
Pork. Ay, beef.
Yun oh.
Good.
Ewan ko kung nagmamantika. May konting mantika.
It's tomato.
Binili ko lang sa store to. 99.
I don't want tomato.
Ay hindi, sa Seafood City. Ito.
Okay. Ay, ako pa.
Kain na tayo.
You want okra?
Mamantika nga.
Some of them taste spicy.
That's spicy.
Uy, merong ano?
Kita ba?
Huh?
Wait lang ako. Chicharon, lapid. Ayan rin ah.
Do you have it? Don't eat that anymore.
Bye bye.